How to recover Steam account without password and username. Hello everyone. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to recover your Steam account if you've lost your account name or password. It's quite easy to lose your account name and password, so without this information, you cannot log into Steam. So first of all, open your browser and open Steam. Once you're in the login section, if you can't log in, click on Need Help with Sign In, then select I can't sign in. This will open a Steam support. At the top, choose I forgot my Steam account name or password. Enter your email address or phone number linked to your Steam account. Complete the verification, then click Search. Once an account is found, choose the option that suits you. In my case, I choose email an account verification code to my email address. After receiving the verification code, enter it and click Continue. This will allow you to reset your password, email address, or choose a different account if needed. This is how you can recover Steam account without password or username. If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.